A female sub-inspector and one of the forest department employee, including 4 other passengers, were badly injured in an accident between Auto and ALTO vehicle on Saturday. Incident took place at Boxanagar, Sonamura.
On Saturday, a female sub-inspector and one of the forest department employee, including 4 other passengers, were badly injured in an accident between TR07A 2293 Auto and TR07C 0697 Alto vehicle. Incident took place at Boxanagar, Sonamura. All the injured people were sent to Boxanagar hospital after the incident. Out of 4 passengers, there were 2 male and 2 female. The police has seized both the Auto and ALTO vehicle after the incident. The accident occurred due to overspeeding. Reported by Mosara from Sonamura, Chini, Khorang.